Coates 9100 coming right back at you. Good old Saturday, December 14th, 2024, 1:27 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And do you like Milwaukee? Do you like Milwaukee? How about Milwaukee screwdrivers? If you're like me and you're watching this video and you like Milwaukee screwdrivers, this is the video for you. Let's have a looky here. These are the Milwaukee heavy duty, and I mean they're heavy duty, demo screwdrivers with the striking caps, and they're not that expensive. You can get two of them for $13.97, which is a good deal, and they are heavy duty. I've used them several times, and they're great. So let's take a look here. Yeah, the tips are even high quality. I can tell you that because I've hit them a few times and they don't dull out or nothing. So they're great, and the price is great. And here they are. Here, Milwaukee. You get a number 2 Phillips and a flat. They come in a pack 2. Right there. Can't go wrong with those, that's for sure. Put those right in your tool bag. That's where they belong. Also, we will go to, let me go to the next one. Let's see here. Go to the 8-in-1, the Milwaukee. This is another great one right here. This is the Milwaukee 8-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver, and it is $17.97, which is a great deal. I got mine when it was on sale. It was a few months back, 3, 4, 5 months back, something like that. I can't remember exactly, but it gives you a decent amount of bits with it right there. And I've used it several times. It's really good quality. I got it right here. There it is. And the back opens up very easy. Just go like this. Then you get into, this thing turns around easy. Get all your bits, whatever you want. And probably got the best magnet of any screwdriver I've ever seen. Maybe a little demo here. There's a 11mm bolt. That's pretty good. And also the next one up I got here on the list is the Milwaukee 27, there it is, the 27-in-1. If you're going to buy them, I'd buy them both. And this is on sale right now. The Milwaukee 27-in-1 screwdriver, great screwdriver. It's $20. It's regular $30. Great deal. It's an awesome screwdriver, super awesome. Ratcheting as well. And let's see here. it's handy because they're ratcheting, or you can make it so it's not ratcheting as well. There's all the bits right there. Focus. Okay. It's got basically everything you need. Super awesome. The only thing is, this one is not magnetized, and I kind of wished it was. But you can pop this out and put this one from the 8-in-1 in here if you wanted to. But that's kind of a downside there. And the next one up is going to be your precision screwdriver set, and it's the 39-in-1. I highly recommend you guys buying this. If you got small toys or eyeglasses, anything like that, this is the one you want right here. Highly recommend it. I highly recommend them all because they're all great. But if you're going to buy them, you might as well just do it once and be done with it. Buy them all. So this is the 39-in-1 right here. It's $30. It's a reasonable price. Nice little case. Here's all your bits. Let's see here. Right there, you guys can pause that. It's super awesome. Look how much you're getting. Look how many bits you're getting. Every bit you would ever need, just about. I mean, just about. Right there. If you got the pack out, fit right in your pack out. Really nice. Okay, that's enough of that. This is the 39-in-1 right here. Super awesome. Nice case. Right here. They're all marked so you know right there where to put them back. Clearly can see that very easily. And they're also marked on the bits too. If you can see it there, it'll focus. It won't focus for me, but see that right there? They're marked, they're lasered on. They're not engraved or anything, but still really nice because once you grab it, you know what you grabbed, and you put it right back where you had it. And I'm going to put you guys in my little holder here. Let's see if I can get this to go up here. There we go. So with the 39-in-1, let's see here. This comes out here, and you can flip it around like this and make it shorter if you want. If you want to make that part shorter, and you can put your bits in right there. And like I say, you can flip it out if you want. Have it the longer, so it's got the longer shaft if you want, which is really nice. It's really nice, and you can put this in the palm of your hand, right here, like this, and turn it like that. If you're getting something out, it's really nice. Really decent quality stuff. Now we'll get back to the 27-in-1 and the 8-in-1. They're both here, right there. And you can also pull these out, put them right in your impact. If you're in a gym, you're on a job site working, somewhere. Pull that out. Pull that right out like that. Same with the other one. Pulls right out. Goes right in like that. Really nice. So you got your tool bag with you. Throw all this stuff in your tool bag. Your demolition screwdrivers. You want to take these demolition screwdrivers. You're out there. Don't be afraid to grab a good size hammer like that right there. And when you want to give them, you just give them a good whack. Hit it hard too. And these screwdrivers will take it. Do not do it with these at all. You'll break them. Only these two. They're made for it. So that's going to be my little video on these Milwaukee screwdrivers. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I've been putting it off, but I wanted to make the video, so figured I would. Alright guys, if you enjoy these videos and my tool reviews, give me a like. I appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.